In the evolving landscape of e-commerce, TikTok Shop emerges as a case study in frictionless digital commerce. Traditional conversion funnels, once reliant on transporting the user from platform to platform, with every link in bio a possible point of attrition, have by 2026 largely yielded to embedded purchase flows. The reduction of steps from discovery to purchase represents not merely technical progress, but a psychological leap, rerouting the user's momentum into an uninterrupted dopamine loop. At the foundation of high-conversion TikTok Shop content is the principle that users instinctively resist overt advertising. The modern digital participant has honed their marketing shield. Overt sell equals instant scroll. The strategist's challenge is to embed product recommendations as value rewards inside the content's narrative arc. Consider the problem-first integration. The strategist leads with a quantified pain point, a scenario charged with relatable chaos or need. Only after the problem's emotional weight is established does the solution, the product, appear not as a pitch, but as the hero. The technical and narrative execution fuse. For example, a wellness journal surfaces at the precise emotional trough where the audience has already begun seeking resolution. By the moment the shoppable link quietly anchors itself on the screen, the viewer is primed not just to click, but to act. A scientific underpinning for this flow is the conversion friction ratio. Here, friction is the ratio of steps to checkout over perceived incentive. Legacy funnels burden users with clicks and context shifts, each one bleeding engagement and slashing the odds of final conversion. TikTok Shop's seamless integration collapses these steps to nearly zero, one, perhaps two taps in situ, so the marginal required incentive for checkout is vastly diminished. Even products with moderate appeal or urgency can attain high-velocity sales in this context. Technical execution, therefore, must never break narrative immersion. The native unboxing is not a stilted, declarative review, but the product seen in action, a toothbrush in the morning, their journal open in the chaos before a meeting, in a day in the life montage. Every demonstration feels authentic, uncontrived, and contextually justified. Such placements dissolve the viewer's advertising defenses and reframe the product as utility or transformation. Furthermore, TikTok Shop's distinctive engine is its live commerce. In the kinetic atmosphere of a flash sale, the product link assumes the form of a pinned chat highlight, a persistent yet non-intrusive call to action as the host narrates, samples, and co-experiences the wares with the audience. Scarcity and immediacy amplify the energy, propelling viewers from passive spectators to active participants. In this dynamic, sales are reframed as happenings rather than transactions. The strategist, a role extending well beyond mere salesmanship, must internalize the TikTok Shop creed. You are not selling an object, but a transformation the product affects. Every successful campaign operates by identifying which needs of synthetic persona, the audience archetype, can be addressed by a physical or digital product, and then architecting the content so the product's appearance constitutes the narrative climax, not a commercial interruption. In summary, mastery of TikTok Shop integration requires a synthesis of narrative theory, platform algorithmic understanding, and conversion science. When technical execution and psychological resonance operate in harmony, friction recedes, and the content-to-commerce pipeline becomes not just efficient but invisible, rewarding both audience and creator in the process.